Ethereum ETH. Ether is one of the top cryptocurrencies proposed by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 as a next step in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Ethereum is a blockchain-based, open-source smart contract platform. While the early cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin only had one functionality, P2P payments, Ethereum allows users to create smart contracts, issue their own tokens, and run decentralized apps, or dApps, making it possible to do a lot more things on the blockchain than before. Ethereum's open-source nature means that anyone can take the source code and build on top of it. Smart contracts are basically programs that run on the blockchain, and they make it possible for people to issue their own cryptocurrencies, launch ICOs or initial coin offerings, create apps that run on the blockchain, and even automate companies capable of functioning without human intervention. Interesting facts. Ethereum is the platform and the cryptocurrency is called Ether or ETH. But most of the time, people use Ethereum for both the platform and the currency. Ether can be used for trading, for paying transaction fees, and for paying for Ethereum's services. Ethereum is the most popular platform for launching ICOs, and around 50% of the ICOs are run on Ethereum's blockchain. These tokens are created on the ERC20 protocol and are called ERC20 tokens. Ethereum currently uses the proof-of-work consensus algorithm, meaning computers use extensive computing power to validate transactions, also known as mining. A company called the DAO raised $150 million with its ICO. Since the code was public, it was hacked into and someone claimed around $50 million. This incident resulted in a split in the community and a hard fork. Ethereum split into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. The original Ethereum reversed the incident, while the Classic left the incident because the idea of reversing the blockchain was against many enthusiasts' beliefs. At the end of 2017, a decentralized app called CryptoKitties, which is run on Ethereum's blockchain, brought out the scalability issues with Ethereum, making it clear that before widespread adoption of this blockchain could take hold, work needs to be done on perfecting the system. So, if your Ethereum transaction was late at the end of 2017, then you can blame the people who bought cats on the blockchain.